take out one of those other things and put it in this and top and twist it together. And then like, I mean, that's get double the action.
Yeah, go around up here.
I thought you won't run today. It's funny.
What's up, man?
What's this for?
What's that?
Yeah, what's your?
Really? Really? I think that's funny. It'd be funny if you got the stuff.
That wasn't funny.
Mama!
You didn't have to point out.
Mama!
That window was see.
How many are in there? Jordan,
What?
how many are in there?
Mine? Kids. Yeah, he's going. Just kids. What? Dude! Was that yours?
What's up?
Ow!
Don't fall. This one's yours.
Here, Logan, I got some more. I want to see what it does. Yeah, right
I ain't gonna play in that, but when it was Christmas, my dad gave me a soccer ball. What? I'm not gonna play, but the girl got so much stuff. I was playing.